Hey everyone, I want to talk to you today about creating a sales funnel. A sales funnel is important because it helps you find your potential audience. It allows you to nurture relationships that you build with them. It helps improve conversion rates, and hopefully it turns those potentials into actual paying clients. So the first thing that we do is we go to sites. So across the top in sites, you'll see that you can build funnels, you can build websites, you can do blogs. I mean, there's so many different things that you can do with our technology. But today, we're just going to do a funnel. But today, we're going to create a brand new one. So we're going to go over to the right side and click New Funnel. And you can do one from blank, like making a new funnel from scratch, or you can make one from a template. There's thousands of templates that have a great starting point that you don't have to put so much time into. But for today, we're going to just do one from scratch. So we're going to name our funnel Test Funnel. From there, you hit Create. You can click on this clock, and it'll show you the most recent. You'll see that test funnel is the one that we created and the time that we created it. So we click on to test funnel. So let's start by adding a new step. So we're going to name this page, and the first page of every funnel is usually what the customer sees. So we want to call that the opt-in page. And then from there, we'll hit create funnel step. Now here we are in the opt-in. Here's opt-in. Now you can use an existing one if you have one already created, but I want to show you how easy it is in 5, 10 minutes or 30 minutes, even if you're inexperienced, of how easy it is to create a funnel from scratch. So we're going to create one from blank. You can make as many funnels as you need in order to get your message across to the person that you're looking to attract. So here's the first page that we're in. So let's click that one. You'll get a space that you'll be able to do in that entire section. So from there, let's hit Add Row. And let's just start with one column. So let's click on one column, and then you'll get now a blue column that pops up. Let's click Add Element. From Add Element, let's go to Headline. It's the first thing that shows up. So click on Headline. So let's say that we're looking out for consultants. Okay, we'll just start with there. So every good headline should also have a good sub-headline. So from there, we're going to click the plus here. And we'll do one column, add element, sub-headline, and there's a little bit more of a space here. So we'll say, try this instead. Let's make it a little larger. Number one, I like to make it bold, so Control B, or you could just click it there. And then let's make it larger and increase the size of it. So let's say, I don't know, that's fine. And then from the first one until the entire thing is all bold, all highlighted, excuse me. And then you click the bubble on desktop font size and then make this larger as well. And let's even make this a little bit smaller. Perfect. So from there, let's start adding some other elements. You can click this one, or there'll be a blue one there, depending on your spacing. So I'm going to click on the section plus bar there. So we'll do another full width, one column, and from here let's put an image. So we'll do add element, scroll down a little bit till you find media, and let's do an image. Image options, and this is the first image that pops up, but we're going to put our own image. So click on that little picture. So let's just say I'm going to use one of these. So the challenge that we have upcoming is called Automate Your Connections. And we teach other business owners, consultants, coaches, and CEOs how they can better automate the connections that they make with people on the internet. So the connection, automate your connections, is about showing other business owners how they can better reach and target their audience. So we have the picture here, and then after the picture, let's add another element. We could either use a plus there or plus there. I'll use this one here. And let's say we're going to do 2 columns now. And don't forget to save. It keeps popping up to save. Let's just save since we're here. And you can do your SEO data in here as well. Now, we're not going to go through the SEO stuff. I'm just going to exit at the moment. And I like to hit another save. I always do 2 saves all the time. And the reason for this is that through trial and error, I've learned that sometimes it doesn't save when you think it's saved and you put a lot of time into something. Better safe than sorry. Save twice, and at least you know that you did it. From there, we're going to hit add element. And let's say I have another video that I want to put in there. Not another video, but let's put a video in there. So once we click on video, we have to change the video type from YouTube. And let's go to either hosted video or custom embed. We're going to use hosted video. From there, select your video file. And I'm going to choose one of the videos that I've already uploaded. And let's see here. Let's go with this particular one that I did 16 days ago. And then it's not going to play immediately. You have to hit the preview button for it to play, but it is uploaded. As you can see, there's my file there. And for the second column, let's do another add element. And I'm going to do image. Here, let's go to one of the house there so we can find another image. Let's put the challenge name in there as well. Okay, so now from here, maybe you want to add your logos or you want to add some more information. I would suggest not making the funnel page too long. However, it's your preference. You want to be able to convey the message that you're looking for somebody in particular. Now, some people just don't like to read, so having too much information might cause them to shut down. However, you have to figure out a method and devise a strategy to figure out what your audience likes the most. So after those 2 images, I'm going to click the plus sign, and let's do a 3 column in this situation. So from there, going to do add element. Let's hit image. Go over to image options. We'll click the little picture again. There we go. And then add element. Let's say we need a button. We need a specific call to action that's going to get people so that they can fill out their information on here. And I'm not going to show you how to do a form in this particular video. However, when you add a button, you're going to want to be able to capture the information from the person that's clicking on your funnel. So for the click to sign up button, we can change it to whatever we want. We could say join our challenge. We can change the colors of the button. Let's say you don't like green. And let's change it to blue. Perfect. And let's add another element in there just because. I mean, you can put surveys, you can put calendars, you can put reviews, you can put a countdown timer. Let's do another sub headline. All right. And let's make that bold. And again, you can do all sorts of things with it. So now let's say we need a button in here. We should always have a few buttons throughout the image just to make sure that people didn't scroll and forget the reason why they're here. So again, we'll just keep it as click to sign up. Let's change the button color because I like the uniformity. And let's just say one more under here just in case. So we'll just do a 1 column, and this is going to be a button too. right, and let's change this one to blue as well. Don't forget to save it. And there you have it. Here's a 10 or 15 minute funnel that you can create immediately for your audience. And just so that we can go look at the preview of how it came out, as you always want to do a preview before you end. So after you work on your entire funnel and you save everything, and before you put it out there, make sure you preview it and it is the way that you hope that it is. And again, this is a very basic funnel, white background, just a few pictures, couple buttons. I added a video. But you always want to make sure that you test it and that it looks the way that you would want it to look. Now, this is a 10 or 15 minute funnel, but you can certainly spend 30 minutes on it if you're a little less experienced, or even an hour. However, the results that you'll get from it will be astounding. And if it doesn't work the first time, you can make a new funnel and make another funnel. You can do clones of your last funnels. The possibilities are endless. So the more you do it, the easier it'll get. And the more media and images that you upload, all of it will stay on there. So let's say you have some nice photos that you like that you want to use on the next funnels. You can always use it again. This is a great starting point so that you can put your business out there, so that you're not waiting for people to just walk into your business. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully we talk soon. Have a great day. Omar Diaz, leadmegaphone.com.